Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about one of our latest new products, the RDT-12K telescoping pole. This telescoping pole extends a full 12 feet and is more rigid and provides more control and accuracy than the competitors. The tool is perfect for pushing and pulling cables above acoustical tile ceilings. The tool features the following: extends a full 12 feet using 5 interlocking tubes, collapses down to 28.5 inches in length. The tool is made from a high density fiberglass material and has a baked on polyester resin to provide a splinter-free use. The RDT-12K also includes this handy shoulder strap, which has a pouch that includes our C-hook, K-hook, and adapter allowing you to connect the C-hook or K-hook to the tool. The telescoping action is considerably stronger than coil or rod-based systems doing similar tasks. Lastly, the RDT-12K comes with our made-for-life lifetime warranty. Thank you for watching our video. Please take a moment, like, share, comment below, subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos from Jonard Tools.